Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here 115 plus professional education flare templates in PSD file for Photoshop. All design are new for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherry.pwg.com and now 3-day offer, 25% off. Just one time payment for lifetime says okay. So here you see here Photoshop file, and here is just preview. You can import your own PNG or own design. Same thing here for design in AI. Next, World Reading Day. Without photo. Study Kids Education Centers. You can customize in Adobe Photoshop. And last, these are 7.85 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in parts. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of the office.